हांव झोण एक एकल्याक लेस्टरच्या म्हज्या तियात्र मोग्यांक आनीक आमच्या गोंयकारांक हांव कालतंतान देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. तशेंच बाय जेनेसिया ताणें एक बरें कांतार म्हणलां,
लवली पीपल. हिंगा गोंयकारां पळय इतलो लोक बरो आहा, एकदम बरें लागलें सारकें.
Goikas in London are really appreciative. Welcome back, my YouTube family. How are you all doing? And here we are today for Marianos Fernandez Theatre. Now I'll be asking people their reviews about Marianos Theatre. He actually takes theatre after 6 years, and we brought theatre from Goa to Leicester today. So let's go with people and ask them how they liked it today. So here we are. How was the theatre?
It was good. I liked it.
How was the theatre?
It was awesome. Love the music.
One of the best I've ever seen.
It was crumb delicious. Very lively.
So as you can hear, the theatre was very nice. We now ask Jerry. Jerry, tu kas theatre kaisa lagala?
Theatre was very good. It was nice. It was a wonderful evening to be. It was a long time in Leicester. It's a nice theatre. It's a wonderful from Goa, all the crowd and the young Goans and everybody. It's a wonderful. I have no words to express how to get it out, but I enjoyed this night very well.
Thank you, Jerry. Thank you.
And you sang very well.
Thank you very much.
Your song was very good.
Thank you. Thank you. आज तू theatre kaisa lagala?
एकदम बरो आणि तुगे कांतार एकदम बरें लागला आणि दुसरें म्हणजे आमचो आवेश बाप आणि ते कांतार पडला एकदम सारकें really touched my heart and theatre was excellent.
Thank you very much for bringing this concert to Leicester. We have learned a lot about the Goan culture. It's wonderful, and thank you so much to Roy and all the group that brought them here. Thank you, Debor Koril Sogle.
Thank you. Here I have MC Emmanuel. He is from Leicester and he is well known for the MC. I would like to ask him, how was the theatre today, Emmanuel?
Yeah, it was good. It was fun. Good comedy. Very clean. A lot of good songs. And lovely acting by a lot of talented actors and all. And lovely singing by you, Jensia. It was very nice to see you on the stage, by the way. Yes, overall it was very fantastic. Yeah, everybody liked it. Thank you so much.
What do you like the theatre?
It was very amazing. The story was well done, and all the theatres were very good. I really enjoyed his theatre very much, and looking forward that more theatre like this come.
How was the food for today?
Food was very good, excellent. I really enjoyed it.
Would you like to give some nice reviews for Leicester Goans for organizing this?
It was done very well organized. I said yes. Well done.
Thank you very much, Nancy. हांव रेजिकोडे इच्छाता तेका आज तियात्र आमचो कसो लागलो तो.
तियात्र एकदम बरो आहा. सगळे लोकांनी येवन पळोवचो आणि एक्टरूय बरी आहाय, स्टोरी बरी आहा आणि कॉमेडी बरी आहा.
तुका जेवण बरें लागलां लेस्टर गोवन्साक कितें दिवपा जाय?
होय, एक्सलंट फूड फ्रॉम रुचीक जेवण आणि तुमकां कोणाकूय जाय तांकां ऑर्डर कराय. रुचीक जेवण फ्रॉम लेस्टर.
तुका म्हज्या युट्यूब चॅनलाच्या विशीं कुछ रिव्ह्यूज दिवपा जाय, फॉर माय पीपल टू सबस्क्राइब फॉर माय चॅनल?
येस, सबस्क्राइब कराय. लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब.
Thank you very much. Thank you. तुका आज तियात्र केस लागला? जेवण बरें आहलें?
बेस्ट.
आणि एटमॉस्फियर वॉज व्हेरी गुड?
Very good.
थँक यू व्हेरी मच.
म्हाका चड बरो लागलो तियात्र, स्पेशली द लवनी एंड ऑल दिस. हें बरें दिसता आमचे तियात्रान तेंय दाखयता म्हण ओवरऑल इट वॉज गुड.
आमचो तियात्र आज कसो लागला?
तुझं आज बरें दिसलो म्हाका तियात्र उमेदीन चोयला आनी बरो दिसलो आनी बरो खुशालकायेन हांव घरा येता आतां.
Very nice and very surprising looking at all the crowd. I met all the crowd around here, so excited with my friends, cousins. I really enjoyed myself. Thank you very much.
Thank you. So what feedback would you like to give from the theatre today?
It was very good. I enjoyed it. I seen it after so many years, and I was looking forward for it, especially because it was from Goa. Yeah, yes. I
Did
didn't
you-
understand all of it, but I do comedy, so I did understand. It's lovely comedy, and yeah, it was good.
Did you like the food today?
Oh, the food was good. Yeah, very good.
The first drama that I'm watching in UK, and thanks to the organizers, Roy and his team, it was excellent to put up Marian's drama, Devachan now Jiyeta, and this is my first drama after 7 years.
So we must support Goans wherever they are. They must support our Konkani dramas, our Konkani culture. It's very important. If we don't support our culture, if we don't support our dramas, our culture, it will go down the drain, or we won't have dramas or our culture, for our younger generation. So we need to support in whatever small ways we can. And it's a great effort by Roy and his team. And yes, a good presentation by Mariano and his entire team. Hats off to the entire team, especially to Varsha Usgaonkar. It was pleasure to watch her acting in Konkani film. Dev Bare Karo. Thank you very much.
Beautiful singing, beautiful theatre, lovely singers, lots of upcoming youngsters. Keep it up, keep going, blast it.
Okay, it's been a long time I've seen a theatre. So I think basically after one and a half year, the theatre was exceptional. It was very good, nice story. Even the artists performed very well, very nice. All the artists, they were too good. Also, all the duets were very good, and there were some more songs also sang by Marcus and Xavier, and of course not forgetting Tony Deripanda. He's also a great artist. Overall, the theatre was very good. Also, special thanks to Espirito Roy for bringing this theatre to Leicester and making it an experience for all the Goans in Leicester to see this theatre.
For the theatre, so there have been so many in Leicester. I've never come, but I'm glad I came because it's a total different concept, not like the normal stories what they normally do. So, and it's got a good meaning to it. So, and it's a job well done by the theatrists and also to the organizers. It takes a lot of time, a lot of effort to put things together. So thanks to you all as well for bringing it here. Okay, cheers.
Game. He's one of the organizers. How was it today?
The theater was very good and सगळे येऊन हाऊसफुल झालो पेरेंट्सने तेचपर्यंत तुम्ही चड आदार दिला म्हणून तेचपर्यंत सदांच येऊन कितें असलें आमकां येवन आदार करचो आनी कितें आमचें चुकलां जाल्यार काळजांतल्यान देव बरें करूं थँक्यू.
माझ्या मोगाळ भावानो आणि त्या सगळ्या भावाच्या भयणान तुमकां सगळ्यांक नमस्कार. आयज आमचो तियात्र जालो लेस्टर गांवांत. एकदम बरो तियात्र जालो. आमी पळोवन हांसले, रडले, थोड्या जाणांनी उडकी मारली, पूण बरो जालो. सगळे वयर शो आहाय थिंगा वसाय आनी चोयाय हो तियात्र. सगळ्यां लागीं मागता बाय जेन्सिया जाय त्या मागण्यांनी सांगता आपल्याक सबस्क्रायब कर. सबस्क्रायब म्हळ्यार कितें नका हांव, बट तुमी मातशें फायंड आउट कराय आनी चोयाय सबस्क्रायब म्हळ्यार कितें. आनी सगळे सबस्क्रायब कराय आनी म्हाका फोन माराय सबस्क्रायब केल्या उपरांत. सी यू.
तियात्र एकदम बरो आसलो. सगळ्या लोकांनी तसो आमी सगळ्यांनी एन्जॉय केलो. लोक खुशाल तरी आमी खुशाल. आनी जेन्सिया आमगेले चेडू बरें कांतार पडलें तेणें. एकदम बरें दिसलें. भुरगीं वयर सोदताय की म्हाका जाल्यार खुशालकाय भोगता. आमगे फ्युचर जनरेशन ते फुडाराक तूं तियात्रांकूय काम करचें. जेन्सिया आल्मेदा ताचो यूट्यूब चॅनल आसा. प्लीज सबस्क्रायब, शेअर आनी लायक कमेंट करचें. थँक्यू. बरो आहलो, बरो लागलो आनी सगळ्यांक सांगता तुमी हो तियात्र पळोवचो. बरें कास्ट, बरें एक्टींग, बरी कॉमेडी, सगळें बरें आसा. वचोन पळयात आनी तुमच्या पयशांचो फायदो करात. आनी आमचे बाय जेन्सिया दा सिल्वा आल्मेदा हाजो युट्यूबाक सबस्क्रायब करात. थँक यू व्हेरी मच. गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल.
हॅलो एवरीवन, वी आर इन लेस्टर. आज बरी खुशालकाय बघता लेस्टराक आमचो तियात्र जालो. मारियानो फेर्नांडीस डायरेक्टर. तियात्राचें नांव देवाच्या नांवान जियेता हांव. आनी बरो तियात्र सगळ्यांनी वचोन पळयचो. आनी बाब आमचो कालुसाद आनी हो तियात्र हाडपी आमचो बाब स्टीवन बाब, हेजो हात पार चड आसा. सो मागता हे तियात्र तुमी चोयचो. आनी आमचो बाब कालूस हेणें भरपूर हें गेलो, तोकोस गेलो तियात्र हाडूंक लेस्टराक. सो सी यू in next theatre Scotland, I think so. I'm not sure, but see you everyone. Thank you. And Jensia आमचे बरें कांतार म्हणलां. कांतराचें नांव